Hey, VisionTech fans! Welcome back to the channel. So, I started my day just like any other, nothing out of the ordinary. But then, bam! Out of nowhere, my Galaxy S24 had the One UI 7 update installed overnight. Yup, Samsung has officially begun the much-awaited rollout of One UI 7, and it's not just limited to South Korea anymore. It's now making its way to users in the USA, UAE, KSA, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and many other regions as well. This new update is built on Android 15, and it's bringing in a wave of enhancements and tweaks. The version number you'll see is BYD9, and it's now available for both the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. This is actually the first major OS upgrade for the S24 series since its initial beta rollout in South Korea on April 7. And here's the best part. Even if you weren't enrolled in the beta program, no worries. This is the stable release, and it's rolling out to everyone. Samsung's really stepping it up this time. If you're a Galaxy S24 user, you're now looking at a solid 6 Android version upgrades ahead, and nearly 6 years of security updates too. That's some serious long-term support, and it's something we don't see often. If you're based in the United States, there's even more good news. The One UI 7 update has started hitting unlocked Galaxy S24 devices again. The update weighs in at over 400 megabytes and brings with it the BYD9 build. If your phone's not carrier locked, chances are the update might already be waiting for you. Now, if you're on a carrier-locked version like T-Mobile or Verizon, just hang tight. The rollout is in progress, and your device should be updated very soon. To check if the update has reached your phone, head over to Settings, right-pointing arrow, Software Update, right-pointing arrow, Download and install. Just make sure your phone's connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life before starting the installation. And hey, if you haven't seen the update yet, don't stress. Samsung is rolling it out in phases, so it could hit your phone later today or sometime tomorrow. Even though One UI 7 had a bit of a delay in its global release, Samsung isn't slowing down. They're already getting ready for One UI 8, which we expect to drop alongside the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in the next few months. Back in South Korea, the stable version of One UI 7 is also being pushed out to more flagship devices, including the Galaxy S23 series, S24 FE, Tab S9, Tab S10, and foldables like the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. While the global release for these devices is expected around May 2025, Samsung could very well launch it sooner if everything runs smoothly. So, what about you? Have you gotten the One UI 7 update on your device yet? If yes, how's your experience been so far? I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. That's it for today's tech update here on VisionTech. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things tech. And hey, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video when we drop the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.